You can derivate a special function such as power function, trig function, again polynomial function, and also some special function, exponential function, and logarithmic function. Okay, so our today's topic is depending on this 5 special function, and also derivative can be defined as what? A rate of change is the same as a slope of tangent line, meaning we can define derivative can be defined as rate of change or a slope of tangent line. Sometimes f derivative at x can be approximated by using the limit function f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches to 0. Okay, this is a definition of derivative. It is directly related to what? Related to limit of a function. So today I'm going to do some question having different rules of derivatives. So let's start from the first one. The first question is about what? Problem number 1 says what? F of x is equals to x squared minus 5 over 7x. This can be derived, or we can find the derivative of this by using what? Quotient rule. Okay, this applied to quotient rule. That means the quotient rule says if a function f of x is divided by g of x, then the derivative can be found by the derivative of f times g minus the derivative of g times f over the denominator function g squared. Okay, this is the formula for f over g. So by using these formulas, it's possible to do this one. Okay, it's possible to do this one. So what's f of x? Let me say, just for the sake of simplicity, let's say this one u and this one v. Okay, simplify lamaragma because f is imsalal. F and wazagbachu and u and v level. So let's say this is u over v. So what's the derivative? The derivative is u derivative times v minus u times v derivative over v square. So what's v? 7x. What's u? X square minus 5. So what is u derivative? 2x. So what's v derivative? 7 only. Okay, so substitute all these in place of these formulas, quotient rule. So the general formula or the derivative, f derivative at x can be, u derivative is what? 2x. Nice. And what's v? V is 7x minus what's u? U is 7x. No, x square minus 5. U is x square minus 5. And what's v derivative? 7 over what's the LCM? B square, 7x, the whole square. It's not like this, okay? It is the whole square. Then when we multiply them, it is 14x square minus 7 times x square, 7x square minus and the minus plus 35. 35 over this one is 49x square. Nice. Now it's possible to differentiate this one. What is this? 7x square plus 35 over 49. Then there is LCM for all. Okay? This can be x square plus 5 because 7 times x is 7x square, 7 times 5 is 35 over 49x square. 49x square. So what is this? By 7 1, by 7 7. So the last answer is x square plus 5 over 7x square. So it is possible to also go further, okay? It's possible to go further like x square over 7x square plus 5 over 7x square. So x square is cancelled by x square. What's the last, very last answer? It's 1 over 7 plus 5 over 7x square. So this is a last answer for this question 2.